What's up, tubers? Welcome back to the channel. Sunday cars and coffee. Sure, I'll play along. Why not? The coffee will be just off camera though. I'm messing with the Revell 6.4. This is the older OG version. I've got another one. I've got one of the newer ones that I'm not going to get started on that yet. I've been playing with the decals of this guy, hoping that these work. Really hope these work for the color tone that I've picked out. It's got some pretty neat little, got some skulls and swish and swoops and stuff. So if not, worst case, I've got those to play with. But it's been a fun little kit, learning curve. What to do on the next one. It's kind of bit me a couple times. I've had a couple issues. It was already just like the first one I built. This was broken. Had issues, and it's got some stains, and some of my lines aren't the straightest. But you know what? Whatever. It'll look fine on the shelf. I am not going to strip this thing and repaint it a third time. So, live and learn. Moving forward. I've got stuff all laid out here, and this is just for me, my own. This tells me that these still need some toothpick painting. Those still need to be wired, and just my own little reminders so that I can walk away from it and then come back and go, oh yeah, it's going to work on this. Gonna look at the decals and try one of the light walls, see if it worked. If not, these have a little bit of a raised lettering, but that's not going to jive with the car. I might just try making my own white walls with the jelly pen, but we'll see how it goes. Again, it's just been a fun little kit. Kind of been playing with my airbrush and enjoying experimenting with colors, making my own fades and whatnot. Kind of got me motivated to look at some of the other. Let's keep going with the lowrider theme. This one's pretty neat. It's got the little bicicleta. Did I say that right? Cool wheels, the chain wheel, and the graphics are meh, whatever, but cool. And then the other one, as I opened it, I was like, oh yeah. I see some other wheels of mine that I'd put in there so I'm probably going to get into one of these guys next. While this one is, coming to a phase of getting ready to wrap it up. That's about it. Cars and coffee. I get it. I get the idea. But there's a problem with it. The Sunday morning cars and coffee, you won't see this until this afternoon or most likely Thursday. And it's just me talking to the void. Here's an idea. How about live? Some of us with the higher subscription numbers, you can actually do a live thing. Maybe we do a Cars and Coffee live and rotate times. Like Paul, when it started this, he gets the first choice of time slots. Say Sunday mornings at 8 live, 8 to 10 or whatever. Just a thought. I'm throwing it out there so that it actually can be interactive. You're going live, you have the option to see the feed, the chat feed. You can interact. I don't know, just a thought. That's about it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon with this one all finished. It's looking pretty badass. Kind of motivating me to keep going with the lowrider theme. That's it. Thanks for watching.